Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some of the most impactful personal finance strategies tailored specifically for CPAs. Whether you're early in your career or a seasoned professional, mastering your own finances is just as vital as guiding your clients. My goal for this session is to empower you with essential tools, principles, and insights for lasting financial health. If you'd like to connect, my LinkedIn is in the description. Let's continue the conversation beyond this video. Let's jump right in and see what's ahead on our agenda. Here's what we'll be covering today. We'll start with an introduction to personal finance, setting the stage for why it matters for CPAs. And next, we'll explore core financial principles designed specifically for accounting professionals. We'll move on to financial planning and budgeting, laying out actionable steps for robust money management. Then, I'll break down investment strategies that combine tried-and-true CPA expertise with growth opportunities. Risk management and insurance is up next, including how to protect yourself against the unexpected. We'll finish with retirement planning, ensuring your future is both secure and fulfilling. And finally, we'll wrap up with some key takeaways. With that roadmap in mind, let's begin our journey with the basics of personal finance. To kick things off, let's define personal finance in the context of CPAs. For accountants, personal finance isn't just about balancing your checkbook. It's the bedrock of long-term security and professional growth. CPAs are financial stewards for both themselves and those they advise. Mastering the fundamentals of personal finance means you can make informed decisions, withstand difficult economic times, and achieve important personal and professional milestones. This opening section is all about helping you leverage your skills to sculpt a secure financial future, using the best industry practices and applying them to your individual situation. Next, let's dig deeper into the unique financial principles CPAs should prioritize. As CPAs, your expertise goes beyond number crunching. It extends to integrating smart financial habits into daily life. There are 3 pillars to focus on. First, digital tools. Modern finance apps and cloud-based platforms automate record-keeping and make budgeting far more efficient. These technologies bring transparency and allow for personalized tracking, letting you make data-driven decisions quickly. Second, tracking. Precise financial tracking ensures you're always aware of your financial health. When you regularly reconcile accounts and monitor spending patterns, you're better able to manage risks and respond strategically to changes. And third, budgeting. Thoughtful budgets act as control centers for your money. They help curb unnecessary spending, grow your savings, and prepare for both fixed and variable expenses. By anchoring your financial strategy on these principles, you set yourself up for consistent, sustainable success. Let's transition now to a practical side: planning and budgeting in action. The backbone of any solid financial strategy for CPAs is effective planning and budgeting. Let's break it down step by step. Compliance forms the foundation. By keeping documentation disciplined and staying compliant with tax laws and regulations, you reduce legal risks and create clarity in your financial choices. The next piece is cash flow forecasting. Understanding and predicting your cash flows, especially for emergencies, allows you to optimize your savings rates and ensure resilience. This is about proactively managing potential challenges through a data-driven lens. Finally, goal setting. Beyond just making plans, regularly reviewing your progress and benchmarking your achievements keeps your financial journey adaptable. By outlining concrete steps and monitoring outcomes, you stay prepared even as circumstances shift. When you combine strategic planning with smart resource allocation, you build the foundation for enduring financial health. With your money management toolkit in place, let's move on to the world of investing. Investing can be intimidating, but for CPAs, it's an opportunity to leverage your skills for growth and stability. Here are 4 pillars you should keep in mind. Education is your edge. Continuously learning from financial advisors and leveraging digital platforms sharpens decision-making and helps you monitor your investments effectively. Market awareness means staying updated on market trends, regulations, and global dynamics. This knowledge lets you adjust your portfolio for optimal performance while managing risk intelligently. Third, tax-advantaged investing. Utilizing retirement accounts and other tax-efficient vehicles helps mitigate liabilities and maximize returns. It's about making your money work smarter, not just harder. And finally, asset allocation. Diversifying your portfolio across stocks, bonds, and alternative investments is key to riding out market volatility and staying resilient when economic conditions change. A balanced approach to investing helps CPAs grow their wealth and pursue long-term financial independence. Now, let's talk about managing risk and ensuring stability through insurance. Risk management is a critical part of financial security, especially for CPAs. Let's use a SWOT analysis to highlight the key areas. Strengths. Your analytical skills help you spot risks early and review insurance coverage and investment options to avoid losses. Being proactive gives you a huge advantage. Weaknesses. Sometimes, an overly aggressive investment strategy or gaps in your insurance can leave you exposed to unexpected risks. It's important to regularly assess your protection plan. Opportunities. The marketplace is always evolving. New insurance products and regulatory changes can open doors for custom risk management solutions perfectly tailored to your needs. Threats. If you don't diversify your portfolio, you're more vulnerable to market upheavals. Plus, compliance gaps or overlooked risks can result in costly penalties. By continuously reviewing your coverage, keeping up with regulation changes, and taking a holistic approach, you'll protect yourself from major financial disruptions. With risks managed, let's look ahead to retirement planning. Retirement planning is crucial for CPAs who want to maintain independence and a high quality of life as they age. Let's break down the essentials. First, strategy. Develop a retirement plan that considers your projected future needs and evolves in line with your life circumstances. Optimizing savings vehicles is key for ensuring long-term security. And next, finance. Engage early with advisors and stay educated about new retirement products. This keeps your investments growing and helps you sidestep expensive mistakes. Then, education. It's important to educate not just yourself but also your clients about options and tax implications. A holistic, well-informed approach leads to overall asset growth and financial well-being. And finally, goals. Establish clear retirement goals and priorities. Regularly revisiting your plan ensures your resources line up with what matters most to you in the long run. With a proactive approach to retirement, you safeguard your future and unlock peace of mind. Let's bring our discussion to a close with some final thoughts. In summary, mastering personal finance isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a secure, fulfilling future for yourself, serving your clients with confidence, and generating lifelong value no matter how the financial landscape shifts. CPAs who prioritize their own financial well-being are better positioned to help others and adapt to change. Thank you for joining me. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical finance advice. And let's keep the conversation going. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Until next time, stay curious, stay prepared, and keep striving for financial excellence.